You know what? I've actually always thought, what if the Earth just started spinning quicker? That's not gonna happen, right? But yeah, let's see. We got a video today from RealLifeLore, and it's what if the Earth started spinning twice as fast right now? So yeah, let's check this one out.
Everybody watching this video lives on Earth, at least hopefully, which means that
Imagine.
the Earth makes one complete rotation every 24 hours. The speed of this rotation is what defines a day. But what would be some consequences if this speed doubled to once every 12 hours?
Oh shit, we'll fall
How
off.
would this affect our daily lives?
We'll fall
First,
off.
it's important to understand that the Earth spins at different speeds depending on where you're standing.
Yep.
At the equator, Earth spins at a speed of 1,670 kilometers per hour. The farther away you get from the equator, the slower the spin you experience. So the poles are where Earth spins the slowest. If Earth immediately began spinning twice as fast, the first thing you might notice is a little
You know what? I feel sick.
bit of weight loss.
I feel
because
sick.
the centripetal force of Earth's rotation is stronger at the equator, everything weighs
Oh my
slightly
God,
less
stop
here than at the
spinning.
poles.
Fuck.
Currently,
Yo, isn't it mad how we're just constantly spinning? Like when you think about it, we're actually just constantly just spinning, bro. It's mad.
you weigh 45 kilograms at the North Pole, you would weigh 156 grams less at the equator. With Earth spinning twice as fast, a person that weighs 104 kilograms at the North Pole would weigh about half a kilogram less at the equator, which is slightly more noticeable. But a much more obvious effect would be the length of our days at 12 hours instead of 24.
Yeah, that would be
days
weird.
Being half as long means that years will have twice as many days, 730 days to be exact. So
oh my God, long year.
Calendar pretty quick. You'd have to adopt a new sleeping schedule in order to fit in your work and school during daylight hours. So instead of getting 8 hours of sleep per night, most people
do you really need you can work at school at night, we'll just need a lot more street lights.
would probably be getting 4 hours of sleep, but sleep twice as often. If you're like me and stay up all night, well, good luck. Animals across the globe would also struggle to adapt their instincts, especially nocturnal animals that would have to hunt at night with half the time they're currently used to. Animals that couldn't adapt would likely go extinct. Also, hurricanes would be dramatically stronger. Winds at the equator would be deflected further eastward, and it would spin up hurricanes to faster speeds whenever they form. But that's not even close to the worst thing that would happen to our planet. The worst part about an Earth that spins twice as fast would be the water in the oceans concentrating around the equator and receding from the poles. The higher centrifugal force would pull 100 meters or more of ocean water from the poles here, and this would be wildly catastrophic.
Oh shit!
Almost all of Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil, Kenya, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Northern Australia would be totally underwater.
Bro, we're just gonna forget about the fucking middle of Africa, bro. We're just gonna forget about, you know what, Kenya, but let's just ignore all of this. Half of Africa.
In this scenario, forcing hundreds of millions of people to move either north or south. Only the highest peaks like the Andes in South America or Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa would remain above the rising waves, which would form new islands out of what used to be entire continents.
What the fuck?
Africa would probably be split into 2 different land masses, with a few islands scattered between them, while South America would just be greatly reduced in size. One final reason that it would suck to be in the equator during this scenario is that the less weight experienced here would cause the air to be very heavy with moisture. The whole region would be shrouded in a very dense fog and would be
You know what, dear Earth, after seeing this, can you please not, go twice as fast, please?
To constant rain. Combine this with a super powerful new hurricanes, and the equator would be an extremely hazardous place. This means that the equator would be a significant geographical barrier between the northern hemisphere and what remains of the southern hemisphere. One final consequence would be at least a momentary loss of satellite-based technology like GPS. Geostationary satellites orbit the Earth at a speed that matches the planet's rotation, so that it can stay in place over the same spot on Earth's surface.
Yeah, but surely... Isn't that still that's still because of our gravity? So if we speed up, surely that will speed up as well.
If Earth's rotation speeds up, then these satellites won't be in the correct positions anymore, which means everything from GPS, TV broadcasting, as well as military and intelligence communications could be disrupted. The speed of Earth in reality is constantly fluctuating. 4.4 billion years ago, our planet spun at a rate of 4 hours per day, and during the time of the dinosaurs, it spun at 22 hours per day. Earth Earth's rotation is actually slowing down every few million years because of the gravitational pull of our moon, and that slowing trend will continue on for billions of years to come. Earth's rotation probably won't be getting any faster in the future, unless we get hit by something enormous that we don't see yet.
Yeah.
But then at that point, we'd have a bigger issue to worry about anyway.
Wait, wait. We used to spin it 4 hours a day, now it's 22 hours a day? Well, like, obviously it's 24. What the
If you
fuck?
have an issue that...
That's actually crazy. So, like, in a few more billion years, the day will be a lot longer. How weird. What the hell? But really good video. Enjoy that one. Hope that you guys did as well. If you did, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.